How to add link to your TikTok bio quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add link to your TikTok bio. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok app and this is where you will get. And what you guys need to do is you have to open up your profile. Once you open up your profile, it will take you here. Now you can see I do not have any link in my bio. In order to add a link to your bio, click on Edit Profile. Once you click on Edit Profile, click on the Bio option. Here, I can actually type in whatever I want and I will also be able to add any link. But keep in mind, the link will be clickable after you get 1,000 followers. So you just copy the link of your social media, of any website that you have, and add it right here in your bio, paste it. If you want to add your social links, such as Instagram and YouTube, you don't even have to add it in your bio. We are getting an option on TikTok right here. You can see we have Instagram and YouTube. So you're just going to click on Instagram and connect your Instagram account. Similarly, click on YouTube and enter your YouTube account. So if you want to add a YouTube or Instagram link, then don't do that. You can use this option. Otherwise, you can just add the link in your bio very easily by just simple copy and paste. If you have a business profile on TikTok, then you also get a website option where you can add clickable links. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.